就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this is Liu Huiqing, who was actually a Hakka teacher, but she started to sing to spread the Hakka culture, especially to her two twin daughters. This song is called He San, He Cha, He Fa.
人人太太女开山茶花，拍街拍墙拍墙人人愛。人人太太女開山茶花，風街繞繞拜拜鈴響。阿公的樹下泡茶，阿婆的順頭冷茶時，韓國間香草。去看迄茶香和迄花好香，恁迄是茶崩瓜子，俺迄是茶困花。
Come to the mountains, drink the tea, and view the flowers. That's exactly the title of this song, He San, He Cha, He Fa. And Liu Huiqing through the song wants you to understand the beauty of her Hakka village and hopes that everyone will visit one day.
人人太太女開山茶花，風街老街日頭比水看嘛啥好愛。人人太太女開山茶花，一蕊兩蕊三蕊四蕊。阿公的樹下泡茶，阿婆的順頭冷茶時，韓國間香草。去看迄茶香和迄花好香，恁迄是茶崩瓜子，俺迄是茶困花。
来自竹东的客家人刘慧清啊，她其实是一位老师，原本在台中教客语，但想要传承客家文化，同时呢也想教导自己的双胞胎女儿来讲母语哦，而开始客语歌曲的创作，觉得呢用客语的思考模式来创作的歌曲才能感动到大家。而这首歌He San, He Cha, He Fa 就是希望邀请大家来这美丽的客家庄来做客，来这边赏着花，喝着茶，听着山歌，或许呢自己都不想离开咯。Alright, through these Hakka music, we're learning a lot about the Hakka culture, and again, Liu Huiqing hopes that you visit her beautiful Hakka village one day. That does it for today's Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and hope to see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.